to my channel. We're not. Alright, we're gonna pause the video for a second. In this video, you're gonna tell that I'm like really out of breath, and that was because I was getting sick and I needed to go to the hospital and I was putting it off, but we're not gonna worry about that. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Discuss this and why I've been gone. We're just gonna jump right into the video. So, sorry if you hear barking. I'm not gonna stop. Alright, so today's video we're gonna do at home eyebrow tinting, D.I.Y, not even D.I.Y because it's from H-E-B. We're gonna do eyebrow tinting, and it's not like a tint where like, oh my gosh, you got her eyebrows like tinted. So yeah, it's gonna be quick and easy, just a little video to get out there. If you want to see this video, check it out. And it's so easy, y'all. Just check it out. I'm sorry my hair look crazy, but I kind of like the messy look, so yeah. So what you're gonna need is your handy dandy angled brush. It can be any, doesn't matter. It doesn't even have to be an angled brush, it just needs to be something small. Then you're gonna take what I use to tint. All right, it's gonna be like, what? Just for Men. I know. I know, Just for Men. And this is in dark brown. This is not actually what I wanted to get because it's actually like a touch up for grays. I wanted to do, wanted to get the mustache one, but they didn't have it, and I just grabbed this to see if it would work, and it does. So, yeah, we're gonna get started. This only takes 5 minutes, and I've literally been tinting my brows for the past 2 weeks, and I just do it like once a week just so the color can get darker and the tint can be more potent, because on the first try, it's gonna be there, but not there, if that makes sense. Like, y'all know I ain't got no eyebrows, but look at this. There's some color in there. But of course, as you wash your face, it lightens and it goes away. So that's why I do it every week. So it can keep the color, you know, there fresh. And plus it gets darker because the color that you have already, the tint that you have already, is already on there, so it gets kind of like a little bit darker as you go. Basically, comes in this tube, literally so easy. I just get it out of the tube and it's already gonna look like this, but when you first get it, it's like a clear color and it stinks like what does it stink like? Something that's in your dad's garage that he uses for like fixing stuff. Like it's not pleasant, but it's tolerable. So what I do, I just squeeze a little bit out of the tube. Ooh, not that much. And I just get some, right? Well, yeah, you need a mirror. Duh. I don't really use a mirror, I just use the big mirror that we have in the bathroom, but for this video, I'll just use my little compact mirror, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna outline your eyebrow as if you were doing your eyebrows for your makeup. So I just like to start from the inside, in. And I kid you not, this is like $8 max, not even expensive. Just gonna get more just to darken it up a little bit. Because honey, who has time to be paying hundreds of dollars of getting your eyebrows tinted when you can do this at home? For the low. You know what I'm saying? take 5 minutes, and then I'll be back and we're gonna take this off and I'll just show you the final product, final result. All right, we are back. So now I just literally take a napkin, wet it a little bit, and just take it off. It's that simple. Just wet it a little bit. Conserve your water because the fish is needed. So let me just wipe it off. And like I said, you're not gonna see a dramatic change, but the tint is there. From where it was before my eyebrows, it's there. And there you go. Your eyebrows are tinted. I'm telling you, maybe in the lighting, you can't tell the difference, but I promise you, the difference is there. And if you keep on doing this every week, it gets darker. So, hope you like this video. I'm gonna put before and after pictures or maybe videos. The difference, like I said, is not whoa, you know, but it's something. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. My name is Leticia, if you didn't know already, and thank you guys for watching. All right guys, love you, peace out.